how to sell courses on Wix. So what I've done is I've clicked on edit site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now here I'll use the search bar to search for PayPal button, and we want to get this one. So just click on it and then install it onto your website. I'll explain in a second why you need this. So I'll click on add again, and this is going to begin adding a PayPal button. Now once we have it, here we will position it where we want, and we can also change the page on which it appears. But right here for the course, we'll click on settings, and it's going to load up this. Now the first thing that we'll need to do is connect our PayPal account email. So I'll type out my PayPal account email here, and it might require you to actually verify your email. I've already done this, so that's why it says email verified. Now the next step is going to product. Here we'll type out our product name. So this was for courses. So I will do marketing course. And here we can set the amount. So how much it costs, fixed amount or flexible amount. Now we'll leave it as fixed amount, and I will type $100 for this course. So 10000. And you can also change the currency here. Now we have connected our PayPal email. We have changed the name for the product. We have set a cost. Now what we will need to do is go to settings and send or set up an autoresponder email. Just click on autoresponder email, toggle this on, and customize autoresponder email. Now here we will begin from scratch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this body of text. So just left click on it, and I'm going to delete this fully. Now I will type out, you will obviously customize this to your liking, to your needs, but I'm going to do thanks for purchasing our course. You can find your download link right here. And I'm going to write a column and leave a space. Now what I'm going to do is going to file.io. I've just Google search for file.io. You can use any file sharing website, but this is the easiest for me, so I recommend this one. Just click on it, and then we will select upload files. Now here you will find your course. So I have the sample course created just as an example, and I'll open this up. Now once we have done this, it's going to load up like so. And before we copy the link, we want to scroll down, and here where it says expires, I'll change it to 1, and then change the time to years. This is the most amount of time that this file can stay on this website. So after we have done this, we'll left click on the link here, and it's going to automatically copy it. Now once we have the file copied, I'm going to go back into Wix, and I'm going to paste my file link. And if I want to add it to text, I'll just highlight the text that I want to add it to. I'll click on this little hyperlink button, and I'll paste my link, and I'll click on done. Now if people click on here, they will be referred to the file link, and they can also copy this link and paste it in their browser as well. And you can add your custom logo here and all of the other different information. But basically after we're done, we'll click on done, we'll click on save. And now once somebody purchases our course and they pay, we will receive the money, and they will receive this email with the download link, and they will be able to get the course. So that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.